We have some breaking inputs coming in. This is what we are given to understand. The entire cabinet will go along with Arvind Kejriwal to the LG office. Cabinet also will go to LG's office with the Chief Minister. So, show of strength and support for Arvind Kejriwal. Tejashree is joining us with more details. The entire cabinet to accompany Arvind Kejriwal to visit LG.
Well, absolutely, and this will also be a show of strength along with other cabinet members who are going to accompany Arvind Kejriwal. And in fact, we are reporting from LG Secretariat, where in few minutes from now, the time is 4:30, when Arvind Kejriwal, the current sitting Chief Minister of Delhi, is going to tender his resignation as announced by him on Sunday. And now what we are being also learning from the party sources that not only just Kejriwal but entire cabinet will be supporting him, will be coming along with him. However, we'll have to see that what happens next after that. Arvind Kejriwal will be in fact tendering his resignation. LG will be accepting the resignation, sending it to the president, and then the entire official process will be taking place. Number one. Number two, also important to notice that Arvind Kejriwal will also be putting forward the proposal of formation of the new government. As of now, there has been no discussion on the cabinet, is what the Aam Aadmi Party senior leader and Minister Gopal Rai has told to media in the briefing. But yes, what important to note is that, that after this particular resignation, the next important thing will be the swearing-in ceremony of Atishi. Now, what we are getting to know is that 22nd is the day when there is a mega rally of Aam Aadmi Party, where all the leaders will be sharing the stage, and Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing that mega rally, first rally after he will tender his resignation today. And perhaps what we are also expecting that in that particular rally he will be certainly making some major announcement, and post that, also we are expecting that Atishi will also be addressing the Karyakartas and the workers in that particular rally. But as of now, there has been no clarity so as to when will the swearing-in ceremony held, and who will be those two new ministers who will be inducted in the cabinet. However, our sources have confirmed that it is most likely a Dalit leader to be inducted amongst the two of the leaders, because Rajkumar Anand had resigned earlier. So yes, all in all, even after the resignation, even after the announcement of the new chief minister, the politics in Delhi is yet not over. There is a lot more to come. We'll have to see that how Aam Aadmi Party officially responds to the statements of the BJP, who is calling Atishi just as the puppet CM, just as the rubber stamp CM. We'll have to see how Atishi herself responds to all such kind of statements, and if Arvind Kejriwal speaks on that particular thing or not, because remember that Atishi has very importantly said this particular thing, that no matter what, the Delhi's only chief minister will always be Arvind Kejriwal. Now, this particular statement in itself says a lot. Back to you.
Absolutely. This is a show of strength as well, that the entire cabinet is going to accompany Arvind Kejriwal. And the BJP, like you said, has been hitting out at Atishi and calling her a proxy CM, a puppet CM. Tejashree.
Well, absolutely. BJP has been attacking, and in fact, this is not for the first time since the day Arvind Kejriwal had announced that he will tender his resignation. Several names were coming as front runners, and since that particular day, BJP has been saying, that no matter what, whosoever be the chief minister, but the real power will be with Arvind Kejriwal. He will be the sole decision maker, and this particular thing will be just like a puppet CM. In fact, they also call it as a Lalu Rabdi model. However, Kejriwal is perhaps not announced as